This footage represents only part of an ongoing investigation. All individuals are presumed innocent unless proven otherwise in court.
All right, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Trust me.
A late-night traffic stop begins as a suspected DUI investigation.
You said just the jar, right?
Just the jar.
Officers search the vehicle after spotting marijuana inside. As officers move in to make an arrest,
Turn around.
the driver suddenly breaks away and runs back toward the vehicle.
Z4!
Get away
Full pursuit!
Get out of the car!
Get on! Get your taser! Get your taser!
Shortly before 11 p.m., Brentwood police officers conducted a traffic stop after observing a vehicle swerving on the roadway. The driver was suspected of being under the influence.
Z4 95.
Where?
About 4 foot. 044. Hello.
Hey, how you doing today, man?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
I'm blessed. Thank you for asking.
Thank you, sir. Do you have your insurance and registration with you? Where are you coming from, my man?
The hospital. I just left my girl and her mother and grandmother there.
Okay. From Sutter or Kaiser?
Yes, sir.
From where?
Kaiser.
Kaiser.
I believe
Okay.
That's Kaiser right down the street.
Yeah. Where you headed to now, man?
I'm going home. Back to Tracy, champ.
Back to Tracy?
Yes, sir.
You got insurance, man?
Yes, sir. I do. I don't have the card with me though. But
You got like a picture of it on your phone or something like that?
No, I do not.
You don't?
No, I do
Okay.
not.
And you say you live in Tracy?
I stay. My registered address is in Stockton, but I stay in Tracy with my fiance.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You on a probation, parole?
Not at all.
Nothing like that?
Not at all.
Any alcohol tonight, man?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Nothing.
So the reason I stopped you, you're kind of swerving.
Yeah, because I didn't know who was behind me. It was just
Okay.
blacked out, so I'm like, who the hell is following me like that?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All
I'm
right.
very paranoid like that.
Fair enough. All right, man. Take your registration. Hang on to that for me.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. Just stay in the car, okay?
After contacting the driver, Officer 1 returned to the patrol vehicle to run the driver's information while continuing the DUI investigation. During this time, another officer observed marijuana inside the vehicle. Based on that observation, officers developed probable cause to search the vehicle.
I haven't broken any laws.
Okay.
I'm not smoking marijuana. I'm not under
Okay.
the influence.
I also want to make sure that you're okay to drive, right? Because you were swerving. I just want to make sure you haven't smoked any marijuana or anything like that
I
before you were driving. Okay. I want to make sure of that, though.
Okay, I will step out, but I'm not going to allow you guys to search my vehicle. You can
Okay.
take the marijuana. I haven't done anything to
Okay. All right.
have y'all search my
I'm
vehicle.
going to have you hop out real quick, okay? Go ahead and hop out. Just when you hop out, man, face your car and put your hands on the back of your head for me, okay? I'm just gonna pat you down for weapons. I'm gonna pat you down for weapons.
How we get everybody else?
That's how I get everybody out of the car. It's just safer that way, rather than you digging around with your hands and stuff.
I'm not digging around with nothing.
I'm not saying you
I'm
are.
not doing nothing.
I'm not saying you are. That's just how I get everybody out of the car. It's safer for me and my partners, right? And safer for you, right? All right, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Trust me. Just face your car.
Yes, sir.
Interlace your fingers on the back of your head for me.
Yes, sir.
There you go. And then I'm gonna have you walk back to the trunk for me, okay?
Just slide over this way.
Yeah, just slide this way. That's all.
in the doorway.
That's all. Keep going a little bit. Keep going a little bit. Perfect, man. Widen your stance a little bit for me. You're a little taller than me.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
There's nothing on me at all.
All right, man. So you're just trying to go to Tracy, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll get you out of here, man. I'll get you out of here. Trust me, I'm not trying to harass people. I'm not trying to go through your shit. Nothing like that, man. Okay? It's not what I'm in the business of. Okay? Okay. Just relax. Have a seat in my car right there. Okay?
Huh?
On my car right there, just where the lights are on that.
I'll stand with her.
You said just the jar, right?
Just the jar.
Okay.
During the search, officers located a loaded firearm on the front passenger floorboard. Officer 1 moved to place the driver under arrest. What happened next unfolded rapidly.
Turn around.
Get
Z4.
get away
Full
from me.
pursuit.
Get,
Grab him. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on. Get your taser. Get your taser. No. Z4, shots fired! Shots fired! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Investigators will closely review the moments leading up to the shooting. As the officers approached to detain him, the driver suddenly ran. He then turned and moved back toward the vehicle while resisting attempts by officers to stop him. As he pushed his way through to the driver's side door, he reached inside the vehicle. He retrieved the firearm that had been previously located during the search. This moment becomes central to investigators reviewing the incident. Second officer's body camera footage shows them giving repeated commands for the individual to get on the ground.
Hey. 3-4. Be calm, cover. Close recover. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Grab him. Get on the ground. Stop him. Get on the ground. Close recover. Close recover. Get on the. Get your taser out. Get on the ground.
She deploys a taser in an attempt to stop the threat. The footage shows the individual holding the firearm and turning in the direction of the officers. Moments later, an officer discharges his service weapon.
Here, tuck in tighter to L-tram a little bit. There we go. Doing good. Doing good.
Do not move.
Officers secured the firearm and began medical aid immediately. Paramedics arrived while officers continued life-saving efforts, but the individual died at the scene. Investigators later confirmed the individual was prohibited from possessing firearms due to prior weapons-related convictions. This presentation does not draw conclusions. It examines what investigators may review when assessing the totality of the incident.
All right, get a quick search so we can get medical in.
For more critical incident footage and case reviews, consider subscribing to the channel.